Alright, hello YouTube. So after playing my cheap guitar for, I don't know, for like a month, I decided to go upgrade for something more expensive. And this is a used, it's not new, it's a 2017 Gibson Tribute. Before I open it, I want to tell you like a few things. I found it on Guitar Center website and it came from, I believe, from Virginia. And anyways, they sent me a couple images because images are not great when you go on Guitar Center website. It's kind of horrible, so it's always a good idea to ask a salesperson. So he sent me probably like a 3-4 images, and I knew it's not perfect because there's a couple like a belt buckle scratches on the back of the guitar. So this is kind of a gamble, but it's supposed to come in hard case. I don't know which hard case. They did not specify on the website. When I asked if it comes with any documents, he said he doesn't know. Anyway, it's a $900 total, and you keep in mind, like if it is Gibson case, it's about $200. So which means the guitar is actually $700, which is a good deal. But let's hope it's good. So let's open real quick, and it's a moment of truth, and I'd like to see what I got. So it would be very interesting. Okay, so, and they even sent me this original Gibson cardboard box, which is kind of nice, not like generic. Okay, so this is good touch too, in case if I wanna, sell at some point. So we'll see. Okay. Yeah, I don't know, I think those scratches, they don't bother me. I actually don't like the new guitars. I like the guitars even kind of worn out. This is fine. Okay, so I'm gonna speed it up, this process, and we'll see. Alright, so what we got here, I'm not sure this case is, like I said, I'm not pro. There's no Gibson logo. I assume it's not actually, I don't think it's a Gibson case, to be honest. It doesn't say anywhere. It's a nice case, but I don't think it's a Gibson case. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we are, moment of truth. Here we are. Okay. Pretty nice and plush case. I'm not sure. It could be Gibson, but I don't know. You guys let me know. It's pretty nice. So here we are. Right away I'll say right away, this is very, very scratchy. So, this is, yeah, the frets are super sharp. Yeah, I'm kind of, okay, disappointed a little bit here. Let's see. I don't see much of the scratches, but what is strange is that it's still cold. That's why you see the fingerprints. What is strange is that on original Tribute, those are supposed to be kind of a flush, and they should be like a black screws. This screw, someone placed it later, because I checked even 2017 and in current model, I looked it up on Guitar Center. It's a black screws and they flush. Maybe someone was tinkering with this. I don't know. Who knows? And also the neck is mahogany versus the new one is actually maple. But it's a nice, actually 60s Tribute. It's a nice shape. So, but it's not a maple leather, which is but shape of neck is pretty nice and slim. Yeah, this is a little weird, but the honeyburst is pretty beautiful. I really like it. So let me just put it away. Okay, let me put this one this way. Okay. So, as far as the finish is beautiful. Very flimsy switch. You know, I can plug it. I will plug it later. You know, this is just regular. They're not push-pull. They're just regular tone. You know, the knobs are fine. The switch is a little flimsy. My biggest disappointment, these frets. It's just, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's just super sharp. I don't know. So let's see. Let me just put the camera closer. Okay. Now that looks much better. So, okay, so here we are, and this is, you know, the neck is okay. It's not super dry, but the frets of way, I know you cannot feel it, you know, just if you can see it, it's hard to see it on the, you know, the camera, but they like, it's like on the cheap guitar. I'm sorry, you know, on this side the same. Like, I hate this. You know, to be honest, when this is 2017 model. Maybe they got much better. When I looked it up, I actually tested one in local guitar center, and I played a little bit. They were nice and actually smooth. It was, you know, 2022 model or 23 model, I know, but the one with maple neck. So the neck, this is actually slightly slimmer because the new ones it says around it. This is nicer shape, you know, for me. This slim neck is nice, but it's kind of sucks that you pay so much money and you have to service it. And I've done it on my cheap guitar, but again, I've done it, you know, for $140 guitar, I don't mind, but when you pay $1,000, or this is actually regular price, you know, $1,299, it's $1,300. It's pretty crazy to put more money or spend your time to do the fret service, and I didn't even plug it. Yeah, this is just my first initial impression. It's pretty lightweight though. I must say this is weight relief, and also I like this scrape. It's like a fake binding. The new ones they don't do this actually fake binding. This is pretty nice feature too. But I have a choice. First of all, I want to plug it in and see. But I have a choice either to you know, keep it and do it myself or pay to someone, but that's a lot of money to pay because it needs to be like some serious polishing here, or just return it. So that's all. You guys let me know in the comments. So it's kind of a bummer because it's beautiful actually, lightweight, a proper like 60s neck. So let me just show it to you. You know, this is, it's pretty beautiful. You know, there's no any scratches here. Yeah, this thing's, the neck thing really bugs me. I didn't even, you know, test the settings yet, so I don't know how it's set well. Hold on a second. Let me see. So I need to tune it up first and see. Yeah, it's not tuned up. Okay, let me do that and we'll figure it out. Okay, just gonna plug it in. This is my Boss Mini. It's not a proper amplifier, but this is just a portable, tiny little, but I like it for me. Like I said, I'm like pretty bad player, so I just kind of, you know, this is minimum I want to spend like $100 for now and maybe later. I'm gonna click. I think this is just 3 modes, and this is sort of a clean sound. And plug this one, this Tribute 60s, and let's see. Oh no, this is a clean sound. Okay, let's move to. Okay, this is this position. Okay, this is a neck position. So this is a second position, like a little more crunchy. I think that. This is more, I think this is kind of a, yeah, kind of a little more dirt. So this is, I kind of like a sound. It's like I said, it's tiny little amp, but this is this is pretty. Okay, that's it. That's kind of my amateur presentation of this tribute, and this is like I said, this is 60s neck, pretty thin and light. You know, I'm not good enough player to like evaluate, but it's pretty nice, except this you know, frets here, like I mentioned in you know, when I just got the guitar, like the opening the box, and it feels pretty sharp. So I still have not decided if I should do some work myself or pay someone or like return the guitar I got. This is only like first day, I'm still playing it, noodling with it. Otherwise, like I said, this amp is pretty tiny little, you know, but you know, for me it's good enough. I probably should get a better amplifier in the future, but as far as guitar, I just want to kind of keep one. I don't know, I know guys on YouTube, everyone has like so many guitars. I bought the cheap one. I posted, you know, a few weeks ago, the Epiphone special for like $140. And if this is kind of, I want to keep it, this is going to be just one guitar, that's it. I don't want to buy like 5-6 guitars, and honestly, you always just play one. That at least kind of my theory, if I'm getting better at this. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and it looks beautiful though, so pretty nice Les Paul. It's pretty heavy too. This is I put on a scale, it's about 8.5, 8.6 pounds, even though it says weight relief. But I don't know, this is 2016 model. I don't know if they did like a, you know, Swiss cheese, you know, weight relief here. I have no clue, because I know a 2017 model in Guitar Center, I tried it and kind of like noodle a little with this, and it was much, I mean not much, but it was lighter. It was about 7.5 pounds. This is 2016 model. It's I would say a little heavier, like at least by 1 pound. Otherwise it's and also this maple edge, I mean this top, and it's kind of a fake binding, just a scraped binding. I think the newer models, they don't have it, so I, you know, not 100% sure, but I think the latest one, the one which has like a different neck, this is like 60s neck, and the 22 model has, I believe it's rounded neck, and it's a maple. This is mahogany neck, and also this 2016 model has, which I like, has this kind of a, you know, fake binding, which is kind of a nice. So okay, thank you.